So are you okay?
Yeah.
What's your name?
Don.
So there was mention of a firearm. That's why we're here now, okay?
Oh, no.
Is there a firearm anywhere?
Not on me, no. No.
Do you got anything on you that's going to cut me, poke me, or make me bleed, or my friends over there?
Yeah.
Would it be okay for me to check?
Yeah.
Can you put your hand on top of your head?
All right.
Where's the gun?
There's no gun.
Did somebody mishear you then? Let's go over there. How'd you get that injury to your head?
We took a tumble.
Hi.
Hi.
We're with Rescue. You were on the ATV accident?
Yeah.
So, I'll say a couple things aloud and we'll see if the stories are all the same, okay? Because we arrived after the accident. So, our understanding is what happened is people traveling with a female who were helping them on an ATV crashed right over here. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Okay. And then you were here and left the scene after calling 911. I think you called. I don't know who called 911.
Yes.
Or to check on his wife. So I have the telephone number for 2 witnesses who saw the wreck, saw her squirming around. They may have been the ones who called, and then saw him run away. They thought he was under the influence. I don't know why, but they didn't. But I have their phone number. I told them to get on. I don't know if I'm going to be recorded. I told them to
You can say whatever you want.
Okay, I told them to get out of here since we didn't know if somebody with a firearm was going to come back. I secured the firearm using gloves, not touching it. It's in the backseat of my pumper. I would like to obviously give it to you.
Yeah.
And that's why I was a little like this when he rolled back up again. So I'm going to use high index of suspicion with him. He may just be a guy he carries when he goes out riding. I have no idea.
Yeah.
But it could be something
What are
else.
her injuries?
No big deal.
I see them. Oh, God, just... It is loaded with one in the chamber. Yes, sir. We have a lot of questions.
Yeah, of course.
Because we weren't here to see what kind of happened.
Yeah.
I've got a couple phone calls to make. I need to let my sergeant know what's going on.
Right.
I'm going to be completely honest with you. You are detained right now. You're not free to leave. I need you to stay here.
That's fine.
And answer
Of
my
course.
questions. Okay?
Yeah.
Would you mind having a seat until then?
Yeah,
I don't want you to be baking in the sun. Can we get you in the shade?
No, it's
Can you
fine.
just go right there?
No.
Just go right there.
All right. Just let her.
Thank you. All right. So what we got so far here? We can walk over here actually.
This is Caitlin Kella.
Hey, Kaylin. This is Officer Johnson, Albuquerque Police Department. Thanks for giving your phone number to the firefighters here.
Yeah, of course.
Could you tell me what? Did you see the entire accident?
I did not. I was actually checking the mail. My husband was in the car and he saw them crash, so he's right here if you want to talk to him.
Yeah, whoever saw the entire incident, it'd be very helpful to kind of understand what happened here.
Okay, here he is.
Okay.
Huh?
Hello, this is Officer Johnson, Albuquerque Police Department. Our conversation's being recorded. Who am I speaking with?
Matthew Kella.
Hey, Matthew. Can you tell me what you saw happen?
This is Caitlin Kella.
Hey, Caitlin and Matthew. This is Officer Johnson again. I'm sorry. I just thought of a question. What was he wearing?
Oh, so I wrote down his description just when I got home. So he was wearing like a black t-shirt and like camo shorts. And he's like a 6-foot Caucasian man. He's bald and has no facial hair. He's probably like in his late 40s.
Okay. Any other clothing?
I didn't. He was wearing like flip-flops, but those obviously flew off. But that's all the clothing that he was wearing.
Okay. Thank you. So far, it's just really 31. So this guy was passenger, is what the witness is saying.
He's a passenger?
He's saying he was passenger,
Okay.
and that the wife was driving. They were coming down, just going westbound. The witnesses were standing at the mailboxes that's behind this truck down there.
Uh-huh.
They saw him flying down. The guy said he was probably going the max speed that the ATV could have gone. They started to have speed wobbles somewhere right around here, navigating this corner. That's behind the rocks back there.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Do you, so do other witnesses place him as the driver, to your knowledge?
Mm-mm.
Okay. And has he said anything to anybody? Driver?
Just to 43. I was just listening on their conversation when they were talking to him.
Okay.
He said something. I'm not sure who said it. Said, "Well, you want to do something stupid before this whole thing happened."
Just keep it how it is for now.
Sir, do you want to sit in one of our cars and get some AC on you?
No.
It's hot out here, man.
Nah, it's all right, Sarge. I'm good.
Okay, we're not saying that to trip you up or nothing, but
No,
it's not a trick like, oh, we're going to jail. I'm just, if you want some air.
no,
Okay.
I'm fine. I'm fine. Really.
So where we're at right now is we have some other officers that they specifically work crashes like this.
Yeah,
They're our
of
traffic
course.
officers. They're going to come over here. They'd like to speak with you.
Okay.
I just asked that you kind of hang tight like you are now. I was just wondering if you want some better shade. That looks kind of like
I'm fine. Yeah. Yeah.
right to your rights.
Sure.
Questions.
Okay.
Right now you have the right to remain silent. Please say can't move these for a log. You have the right to talk to an attorney. You have the right to have an attorney present while you any questions. You cannot afford an attorney like you just want to get no thoughts. You can decide at any time not to answer my questions, make any statements. You understand those rights?
Yes, sir.
Willing to speak to me.
Of course.
Tell me about the crash.
Wife and I were riding home on a quad. We should have been. We flipped over.
Who was driving?
My wife.
What happened? What happened?
Took it back home. You know, I'm not gonna. We're not gonna go through this game. We're not. And I apologize to you and everybody. I can't. Nobody could tell me if my wife's doing okay in the hospital. The wife and I him. Shouldn't have been driving the damn quad on the street. All right. So I'm not saying anymore. I wasn't driving the quad. No, I was not driving it when it crashed. Yes.
I see. I mean, you got blood all over your face and everything.
Yep.
You got a little bit of blood leaking down the side of your face. Do you want to wipe that off real quick? Or?
Yeah, of course. Yeah. It's good.
All right. Go ahead and put your hands back on your back.
Yes, sir.
Down right now, placing you under arrest regarding all under the influence of intoxicating liquor.
Yep.
No longer free to leave. On video recording.
Of course.
He's gonna. So at this point, just that you're in the know. No felony charges.
Okay.
We have no felony charges. We talked to the district attorney's office. The only thing we have is misdemeanor 47 for him.
Okay.
Tempering. So and tempering.
Oh, and negligent.
Negligent.
I'll misdemeanor.
Okay. Yeah. So all misdemeanor charges.
Okay.
So no felony charges.
Are you good at forwarding this? So I don't have to do the whole package.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, this is pretty easy.
Is there a button?
You want to look at the door? Let me down while we're waiting on this.
Yes, sir.
Spoke to Lieutenant Legendary earlier.
Okay.
Just wants to make sure you understand that from here until Tuesday morning, you're not to represent APD in any way.
Of course.
Your unit.
It's actually at the airport anyhow. So okay.
Hey, Don, the only thing that I can tell you is your wife is in ICU. That's the only comments that I can find is they just report that she's in ICU.
Okay. Thanks.
Don Correa was charged with DUI, tampering with evidence, and negligent use of a deadly weapon.